Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to view SQLite data of an Android application. This is a project in Android Studio which is getting user current location continuously in the background, even if user is not using the application. This project I have explained in another video. The link is given in the description. So I have got some user current location updates and saved it locally in SQLite database. Now I want to view that data. The first step is to connect your mobile phone to Android Studio. So here you can see that my phone is connected with Android Studio. Then here is a small icon, Device File Explorer. Click this icon and you can see different folder. Go to data folder and again click data folder. Here you can see different packages name. My project package name is com.trickyworld.location updates. So find this package name here. This is the package name of my project. Going to this package and click databases. Here you can see a file with the name my database. Actually this is the database name that I have given in the project. Here you can see that I have assigned my database name to database name. So actually this is the database name. Save this file, save as, and I am saving this file in D drive. So here you can see that I have saved the file in D drive. Now going to Google and search for DB browser for SQLite. Click this link and click download. Download DB browser from here according to your system specification. Once you install this tool, then go back to your location where you have saved the database file. Right click on it and click open with. So now you can see an option DB browser for SQLite. Select this option and click OK. So this is the table location 1 where I have saved user current location data. And these are the fields ID, latitude, longitude and update time. Right click on this table name and click browse table. So this is the data in the table. You can also export this data by going to file and export and save, for example as CSV file. Click save and select a location and click save again. So the data has been saved in CSV file. So this is how you can view SQLite data of an Android application. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.